Alrighty, I'm pulling in. 3, 2, 1. Blessed. Ramp.
Swapped over.
Decimation. Switch.
Back.
It's 14.
Soaking.
Poke the net.
One tanks.
Okay.
Left, left, left.
Had aim for that. Never got it off.
Yeah, the next one.
Yep, gives them.
Gisden who?
Ram.
I'm on tank.
I have countdown.
Decimation Blade. Have cooldowns.
I'm out.
Switching to 3 people. Bows, Dorm, then Ed.
My man is absolute fuck.
I'm on tanks.
Remember that's Bows, Dorm, Ed.
Shield wall.
Moving out.
Soaking.
Let's go shield. Oh, I got counting again.
Moving out.
I'm gonna have.
Decimation.
I have torments in. That was.
Both
Both
come in.
Somebody get in there.
I got it.
First
Don't
on
take
the...
it.
I'm on the tank.
Take it down.
Pope, then...
Is that all of them?
9. Come on.
Pope. Ram is next.
I can't.
I hit VB there.
Giz, you're first on this next.
I'm on tanks. I can't take it. Someone get this after me. I got dispersion up.
Both.
Come after you. Now, I got after you. I'm in.
Okay, Bows will be next.
But Ash, take control of this.
Alright, both.
Do not.
Ends
do
your
not
first on the...
Stop taking those to 10. Get out by 8, goddammit.
It'll be Ends, me, Ram on...
On the tank.
Shard.
It's all the way over here. Just tie down.
When you're getting out, make sure you don't hit me with it.
Countdown.
You're gonna
I'm
have
gonna
a
have a
debuff.
Pope, you're after me.
Inferno Blade. Is War Master up? I don't have any cooldown.
Alright, good.
No, and I don't have any.
Okay, MS is up bottom 1. We'll be okay.
Giz, you're up first.
Switch early.
Okay, we're
Come on,
fine.
tanks.
We're totally fine. This is a kill. Focus up.
Giz, then Bows. Then the...
Get ready. I'm out.
Who's after bows?
I am.
Dorm.
So
Want tanks music?
No, you're on tank.
Decimation.
Nothing for
Ends
this.
your
Full cooldowns. Full cooldowns. I have
back.
everything.
Okay.
ends poker.
This decimation's gonna be fine. I have everything.
I'm gonna run out right.
Nine, get out of there. Okay.
Get out. Okay, just focus up. We're good. This is it. VB is up.
Giz,
He'll be
you're
hard.
up next. On the next shot.
I can't.
Burn, burn, burn.
I want tank. Thank you,
Thanks,
Jesus.
Christ. Oh my God. Fuck.
Holy fuck.
Ah!
You guys get it?
I hope you get your shield, because you're never fucking seeing it if you didn't.
Well, congratulations, Cap.
Just watch threat.
Swap.
I got a debuff.
Swipe.
How fucking else would you like me to say that so you could understand? Anna, how do you say I can't do more DPS in Spanish?
No puedo hacer más DPS.
No puedo hacer más DPS. Okay, Dorm?
Thanks, Anna owns.